We are covering elastic load balancing, a critical topic for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. Elastic load balancing, or ELB, automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets, such as EC2 instances, to ensure high availability and fault tolerance. For the exam, you must know the three main types. First is the Application Load Balancer, or ALB. The key thing to remember is that an ALB operates at layer 7 of the OSI model, which is the application layer. This means it's intelligent and can inspect application traffic, specifically HTTP and HTTPS. If you see an exam question that mentions routing traffic based on the content of the request, like the URL path or hostname, it's signaling an ALB. For example, sending requests for yoursite.com/images to one group of servers and yoursite.com/API to another is a classic ALB use case. Next is the Network Load Balancer, or NLB. This load balancer is all about performance and operates at layer 4, the transport layer. It handles TCP, UDP, and TLS traffic and is designed for ultra-low latency. The exam will test this by presenting scenarios involving high-performance needs, like real-time gaming or services that require millions of requests per second. An NLB provides a static IP address, which is another key differentiator. The third type is the Gateway Load Balancer, or GWLB. This one is special. It operates at layer 3, the network layer. Its primary purpose is to make it easy to deploy, scale, and manage third-party virtual appliances like firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and deep packet inspection systems. If a question mentions inspecting all traffic passing in and out of your VPC with a fleet of third-party security appliances, the answer is Gateway Load Balancer. A common exam trap is confusing the layers. Use this mnemonic. Angry nerds game at 743. Angry for application at layer 7, nerds for network at layer 4, and game for gateway at layer 3. Health checks are another core concept. The ELB periodically sends requests to its registered instances to test their status. If an instance fails these checks, the load balancer marks it as unhealthy and stops sending traffic to it, automatically routing requests only to the healthy instances. The exam might ask what happens when an instance becomes unhealthy. The key takeaway is that traffic is rerouted away from it. Finally, you must understand cross-zone load balancing. This feature allows the load balancer to distribute traffic evenly across all registered instances in all enabled availability zones. Here's the critical exam trap. For application load balancers, cross-zone load balancing is enabled by default. For network load balancers, it is disabled by default, and you incur data transfer charges between availability zones if you enable it. This distinction is a frequent topic in exam questions. Knowing when to use each load balancer and understanding the nuances of health checks and cross-zone balancing is essential for passing. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.